Welcome. Welcome to our journey through the countryside of Bangladesh, where every corner unveils a story of vibrant culture, rich history, and breathtaking natural beauty. Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is MD Sattar Hussain, and you are watching many stories. Today, we will exploring the countryside of Bangladesh, a journey through vibrant landscapes. Bangladesh countryside is a tapestry of picturesque villages, sprawling rice fields, and winding rivers. With its fertile land and warm hearted people, the countryside offers a glimpse into the soul of this beautiful nation. One of the highest of exploring the countryside is experiencing the vibrant markets that come to life with colorful stalls selling fresh produce, species, and handmade crafts. In the countryside, traditional craftsmanship thrives, from intricate pottery to vibrant textiles. Artisans in Bangladeshi's villages continue to preserve age old techniques passed down through generations. Natural beauty is abundant in Bangladesh countryside. From lush greenery to screening rivers, every moment spent here is a feast for the sense. The hospitality of the Bangladeshi people is truly heartwarming. In the countryside, visitors are welcomed with open arms and treated to delicious homemade cooked meals that reflect the richness of Bangladeshi cuisine. In Bangladesh, village life is the essence of the nation's identity. It's where tradition meets modernity and community bonds are cherished above all else. Each day begins with the call to prayer, echoing through the village malls as families gather for a simple yet hearty breakfast of rice, lentils, and vegetables. Agriculture is the backbone of village life in Bangladesh. From rice cultivation to jute production, farming sustains both the economy and the culture of these communities. One of the most beautiful aspects of village life is the sense of unity and togetherness, where it's celebrating religious festivals or organizing community events. Villagers support and uplift each other's. Despite the picturesque landscapes, village life in Bangladesh is not without its challenges. From natural disaster to economic hardships, villagers demonstrate remarkable resilience in the face of adversity. Bangladesh villages are treasure troves of culture heritage, from folk music to dance to traditional crafts. These communities preserve country's old traditions that are passed down from generation to generation. Education is a beacon of hope in rural Bangladesh. Village school and community initiatives empower children and women, paving the way for a brighter future. As the sun sets over the horizon, we are reminded that village life in Bangladesh is a testament of the resilience, warmth, and beauty of the human spirit. Join us next time as we continue to explore the wonders of our world. Thank you very much for watching. I would really love to hear from you guys, and I would really appreciate if you guys could subscribe me and keep supporting me. If you like to watch this type of video, and don't forget to mention in the comment below. So until next time, take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum everyone.